Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In the seventh stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, ਜੇ ਜੁਗ ਚਾਰ ਯਾਰ ਜਾ ਹੋਰ ਦਸੂਨੀ ਹੋਏ ਨਵਾਂ ਖੰਡਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਨਾਲ ਚਲੇ ਸਭ ਕੋਏ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਾਉ ਰਖਾਈ ਕੇ ਜਸ ਕੀਰਤ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਜੇ ਤਿਸ ਨਦਰ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਤ ਨਾ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਕੇ ਕੀਟਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੀਟ ਕਰ ਦੋਸ਼ੀ ਦੋਸ਼ ਤਰੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਨਿਰਗੁਣ ਗੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਗੁਣਵੰਤੀਆਂ ਗੁਣ ਦੇ ਤਿਹਾ ਕਹੀ ਨਾ ਸੁਝਈ ਜੇ ਤਿਸ ਗੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਕਰੇ. He says, our age may be a very, very long one. We may live for as long as the four ages. Char jugas. Je jug chare arja. Arja means age. He says if someone lives for all the four ages, Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug and Kali Yug. And not only that, not only for that period of time, he says you can even increase it by 10 folds. Or dasuni hoye. Nava khanda vich janiye. We may be known all around the world. We may have a lot of popularity. Nava khanda vich janiye, naal chale sab koe. Not only known, but people follow us also. They respect us also. Because there are cases where people are known all around the world, but they are not liked. There are various such leaders, there have been various such leaders and kings who became very famous all around the world, but we don't talk about them in good terms. So he says, Nava khanda vich janiye, naal chale sab koe. Everyone is there with you. Whatever you say, they agree with you. Naal chale sab koe. Changa nau rakhai ke. Jas kirat jag le. Your name is very good. People recognize you to be a very good person of high moral, good character. Naal chale sab koe. Changa nau rakhai ke. Jas kirat jag le. Jas. You are taking the praises of the entire world. Jas kirat jag le. Jag le. Puri duniya ka. But he says, Je tis nadar na aave. Tam vaat na puche ke. I may have a long life, I may be very popular, people may be listening to me, I may have everything that I want, people go with me. But in the eyes of the Lord, if I am not good, then all this is a mere wastage. Jetis nadar na aave. If I am not good in the eyes of you, O Lord, then all is in vain. Jetis nadar na aave to vaat na puche ke kita andar keet kar. For the Almighty, if I haven't done good deeds from within, only outwardly I might have appeared to be good to others. Nanak says, God is capable of making us into the most inappropriate worms. Kita andar keet kar. कीटों में भी कीट कर देगा हमें. कीटा अंदर कीट कर दोषी दोष तरे. कीटा अंदर कीट कर दोषी दर दोष. He can convert us into a person who does bad. Doshi andar doshtar. He is capable of converting us into criminals. He is the one who does that. Nanak is a total surrender. He says even criminals are not doing what they are doing on their own. It's all their laid out plans. Kita andar kitkar doshi dosh tare. Nanak nirgun gun kare. And at the same time, now God is also capable, Nanak says, of converting nirguns into gunis. Doshi andar doshtar. On one side, he is putting wrong things into the people as he desires, and on the other hand, नानक निर्गुण गुण करे. जो निर्गुणी है, बिना गुण के हैं, without virtues, he fills virtues in them. नानक निर्गुण गुण करे, गुणवंतियां गुण दे. The ones who are full of virtues, he gives them more virtues. तेहा कही न सुजई जेतिस गुण कोई करे. O Lord, Nanak is looking around the world and he is getting mesmerized and he says, दोषी अंदर दोष तर नानक निर्गुण गुण करे गुणवंतियां गुण दे तेहा कही न सुजई. तेरे जैसा, there is no one in the entire universe who is like you. तह कही न सुजई जेतिस नदर करे. The one who is capable of doing what you are able to do. There is none like you, O Lord. So I've tried to put across the meaning of this 7th stanza with whatever little knowledge I had, and wherever I have faltered, I seek forgiveness, and I also would request you to subscribe and also comment, suggest for my further improvement. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.